street bound. Good old girl, I don't want you to be my wine. Leave that to the days of my memory state, please. I don't wanna kick you out for mine. Stop walking away from me so tight. People today think you say just blow me away. Now I gotta go and do it by my own. Baby, don't you ever think to come back home. It's a struggle, that is why my mind is shackled. Good for me to say that I'm having trouble, Mr. Zipso. What do you think about the life when it hassle? Do you ever think that life is real when it double? I don't think so. This is my life, this is my time, this is my day. To make it sick for you, baby, I'm sick for you, lady. I'm sick for you, baby, and your stability. I don't need to let you go. You should know that I love you so. Stay through the peace and go. You should know that we say so. Check 1, 2, 3, microphone on the beat. Ready to release all the pain in me. By my taking long, giving the tone. It's my emotional feeling while I am alone. Baby girl, you wanna listen on my manifestation. Yeah, you're cheating on me in a wide addiction, but you go to listen what I am about to say. It's a gnosis way to follow up my mission. That is our imagination and our figuration. If you wanna tell me what to do, stay attention. Be patient, don't hate me, Zipso is the name. Now in the competition, please, not yours, but it's my motivation. You told me I wanna prove it to you that we still got a mission, yeah. I don't need to let you go. You should know that I love you so. Stay through the peace and go. You should know that we say so. Now shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Step 1 to the front, step 1 to the side. Ready for the mission, get it, don't you get high. Just the two of us from the east side. Do you mind? Give it up, boys from the east side. Spit it out, Mr. Oh, oh. That's the new world for you to survive. If you need